Solve. Graph the solution set. 2x squared plus 7x is greater than 15. I'm going to start by subtracting this 15 from both sides and writing our inequality as 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 is greater than 0. Now, I'm going to take a graphing approach and set this left side equal to f of x. So f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. We're going to quickly graph a sketch of this function and then determine where it takes on function values greater than 0. Let's start by finding our x-intercepts. We do that by letting our function value equal 0 and solving for x. Let's factor this trinomial on the right. It factors as 2x minus 3 times x plus 5. The zero factor property gives 2x minus 3 is 0, or x plus 5 is 0. Adding 3, dividing by 2 gives x is equal to 3 halves, or x is equal to negative 5. So as we think about just a quick sketch of this function, here's our x and our y axes. This parabola has x-intercepts at negative 5 and 3 halves. It's a parabola that opens upward. We know that because our leading coefficient is a positive number. So just a quick sketch. Here's our function. Now we want to determine where this function takes on values that are greater than 0. That is, where our y values are above the x-axis. And that occurs for x values out here to the left of negative 5 and to the right of 3 halves. So let's describe then our solution as these x values from negative infinity up to negative 5, not inclusive. We want to find where our function is greater than 0, not just equal to 0. Union 3 halves to infinity. Now, as a last step, let's graph this solution on a number line. I'm going to locate 0. Here's our negative 5. Here we have 3 halves between 1 and 2. Graphing our solution interval then. Let's locate negative 5 and bold these numbers smaller than it. Let's locate 3 halves and also bold out and indicate those numbers greater than it.